Hey man, we got something special, something early, something real clean inside today's unboxing. So go ahead and sit back, relax, and let's get right into this thing, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already know I try to bring you guys all the early looks, especially if I get my hands on them, and I know I can get my hands on them for a reasonable price. I definitely snag them just to get you guys thoughts and opinions, so make sure you guys go crazy down below in the comment section. Let me know if this is a W or L, fire, trash. You know all you guys thoughts and opinions over what we have inside today's box, man. Before we get into it, right now what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. Them likes go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content, and we are so close to 80K, man. So close. You guys keep motivating me by hitting the like button, dropping them comments down below. Let me know what future content you guys want to see on the channel, man. All right, man, so if you do not know, last week we got a crazy little, little shock drop over a highly anticipated, Air Jordan 1, and we have that Jordan 1 inside today's box, man. So I'm excited. I wasn't as excited as I thought I was gonna be, but actually getting a new pair of shoes is a little bit, exciting, just because I just picked up the Air Jordan 6 Aquas, was not a fan of those at all. That was literally just a content stinger, just get you guys thoughts and opinions. And so this is like my first pickup in a minute, bro. My first pickup in a minute, and it happens to be one of my favorite silhouettes, the Air Jordan 1s. And hold on, bro, hold on, man. We got some in here, bro. We got them in here. Once I show you that box, you're gonna know what it is. And I'm pretty sure I already showed it on the thumbnail. We're building that anticipation up. You guys see it, bro. Yeah, that all red box. I mean, we have a woman's exclusive. Let's slide it out of that thing real quick. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And you guys see, man, Nike up top. You got the Nike brand all around it. Let's go ahead and read that official colorway size tag. Women's Air Jordan Retro High OG. Black University red and white. And I got these in a size 10.5, bro. Y'all see it, man. Your boy got a size. Last time I got a women's exclusive sneaker, I got a size, I think I got a size 9, which is a 8.5, and or what is that, a 7.5? You know what I mean? I got the wrong size, went off the wrong, scale or whatever. But we have them, bro. We have them. So go ahead and flip the top open, bro. Let's flip the top open and see what we got. Okay, hold on, bro. Okay. Got a little dust bag up top. You got the Jordan right here, and you have the bag, bro. This is nice. Okay. Jordan brand going crazy, bro. Jordan brand going crazy with this one right here. And it's time to check out the sneakers, what we've been waiting on all year. I'm gonna let you guys see it first in 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them out, bro. We got them. This time is here, man. The Air Jordan 1 Satin Bred. Oh my God, man. Yo, I am not gonna lie. I ain't gonna front or nothing. These are a lot better in person, bro. Pictures do not do these any justice, bro. That satin hit is so nice, bro. Like, when y'all get these in hand, I'm telling y'all, y'all gonna really love them. I do see a couple of, some minor defects, like the little glue on the side and stuff like that. But other than that, bro, the hit to that satin, bro, all over the sneaker is nice. Got that nice pop out swoosh, and kind of looks thicker for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's just because it is a satin material. But bro, let's pull both of these out of the box, man. Let's pull them both out the box, bro. Oh my God. I didn't think I was gonna be this excited because I do have the Satin Breds behind me. But these right here, nonetheless, are super nice. You did get an extra set of laces, so you do get some red laces that come with it. They already come equipped with the black laces already. Let's throw them to the side, and man, let me give you guys another little quick 360 of them things, bro. Look at them, bro. This is a beautiful sneaker. Like I said, I wasn't too crazy about it all year long. Then, get a little bit closer to drop day. And then hit us with a shock drop. I said, bro, why not cop them? And actually getting them in hand, I'm telling y'all, bro, these are a lot better, bro. And I ain't trying to overly hype or anything like that. It is a Jordan 1. People love Jordan 1s. It is a bread colorway. It's satin on the sneakers. Well, it's a women's exclusive. So making these a little bit more, sought after, and a little bit more limited as well, because I do not think they're doing full, like a full extended size run on these things. That they are, I will be sure to correct myself in the comment section, but bro, they went off on these, bro. They did their thing. And these actually dropped back in 2007. I forget the year. They dropped a little while back. And now we have another version of the Satin Bred released in 2023. These released next week. Hold on. Let me see the official release date real quick. Just gonna check out sneakers, bro. Like I said, these did shock drop last week. Oh, hold on. Let me see them hands, bro. Them hands have been coming in clutch. Let's go ahead and check out upcoming sneakers. And then, of course, we got the Travis Scott golf, you know what I'm saying, Jordan 1 lows. And then the Satin Breds are releasing on, they actually come out October 18th. So in about a couple of weeks, we will be getting the Satin Bred Air Jordan 1s. As you guys can see right here, things say purchase, bro. I've been purchasing from the shock drop. What you guys thinking I got it from anywhere else? 180, get an extra dust bag, get some extra laces. You get a clean pair of Air Jordan 1s, bro. You just can't beat it, man. So you guys let me know right now down below in the comment section if you were one of those lucky people that did get a W on these Satin Breds, man. Like I said, I'm loving the hits. I'm loving the satin buys. My first satin sneaker in the collection. Yeah, my first satin. No, I had the Air Jordan 6 CNYs. Or the Chinese New Year's. But as far as Jordan 1s, definitely my first pair of satins, man. I'm loving them. I'm loving the quality. I'm loving the hits. Definitely gonna get some dope wears out of these. Definitely gonna be one of the ones that keep in the collection for a while. I'm super happy to have them. But again, man, please let me know down below in the comment section if you did snag a pair on the shock drop. And let me know if you're gonna be going after these things October 18th, 180 bucks. Hey, you can't beat it. Definitely probably a top 10 pickup for me, man. Super excited to have these. And yeah, so again, man, thank you guys so much for tapping in. Go ahead and drop some comments down below. Let me know what you're thinking about these Air Jordan 1s. A full review and on feet will be coming very soon. Probably drop it this upcoming Friday. We got some other early looks to show y'all. So like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on the early bangers that we about to be dropping for you guys, man. Leave a huge like on today's video. Thank you so much for tapping in. Make sure you take full advantage of the Air Jordan 11 gratitude giveaway. Hopefully we get that 80K before the end of the month. I'm about to go crazy with the content. So I hope you guys understand. Reciprocate that energy and hit the like button, dropping the comments, sharing the videos, all that good smazzy jazzy, bro. I love you guys. Thanks again for tapping in. All this being said, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.